TikTok is probably the easiest platform to grow on, though. It's gonna be really easy to get views on TikTok. So you should see some success in TikTok. Uh, why it's not working for you? Probably because you need to focus more on your channel. Focus more on doing follow for follow. Focus more on following people back, and focus more on promoting your channel. Uh, TikTok's gonna work for you if you keep it up. Just stay active on TikTok and do what I say. I said to follow people back with less than 200 followers. Make sure you do that. Like and comment on posts with people less than 200 followers. So do that. Just do what I say. Just if they have less than 200 followers, they're gonna appreciate what you're doing more, and people are gonna start going to their alt accounts. And they're gonna start following you. They're gonna start liking your videos, and they're gonna start expecting you to do the same to them. You want people to go to your TikTok on their alt accounts and follow you on there because they know you follow them back. So make sure everyone knows on TikTok that you do follow for follow, and make sure you actually go through with it.